Hi, I'm Mel from Bubsy Co, and today I bring you a device that is essential for every nursery. Our sleep soothers make sleep routine easier by playing comforting lullabies that can help your baby relax and feel safe. Newborns are precious, and as much as we love them, getting them into a sleep routine can be rather tricky to say the least. Our soothers give you all the tools you need to start and maintain a sleep routine with your little one. Play white noise, relaxing lullabies and nature sounds to help calm your baby during nap times or when your baby is going down for the night. Plus, to make sleep times even more relaxed, the soother automatically turns itself off after 30 minutes, so no need to creep into the nursery to turn it off. Each different animal design comes with 10 different gentle lullabies and sounds to choose from, including a heartbeat and white noise. There's a soothing sound to suit every child. And thanks to the starlight projection functionality, a colourful galaxy of stars shine on your wall or ceiling, so your baby or toddler isn't in complete darkness. The light slowly fades into different colours to capture your baby's attention and help to soothe them, signalling bedtime. Keeping a consistent bedtime routine is healthy for both you and your baby. And thanks to our fantastic sleep soother, you have the help to make bedtimes easier. Our soothers are also hand washable. Simply remove the plastic projector from their tummy and hand wash it with warm soapy water. Plus, it's battery operated, so you can take it anywhere, even while travelling in a car. The batteries and screwdriver are also included with your purchase, so you can start using the soother straight away. The adjustable strap at the back lets you secure it to a stroller, and thanks to its soft feel, babies will love cuddling them for many nights to come. Let our adorable soothers calm your infant, and also don't forget to check out our matching swaddles and milestone blankets. See why other parents are choosing Bubsy Co for their nursery needs by purchasing one today. Until next time, thanks for watching.